In my recent trip to Los Angeles, having lunch with my son, I said one of my things on my bucket list in Los Angeles would go to the Hollywood Bowl to see a George Gershwin concert, like in the movie Rhapsody in Blue. And as it happened, there was tickets that night for a George Gershwin concert. So we were lucky enough to get 2 tickets. We paid for valet parking to get us right to the front door, and we had a wonderful time at the Hollywood Bowl. It was a beautiful, beautiful night, and it was really amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video and get to see what it was like. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video to the Hollywood Bowl, and don't forget that my name is Bill Vargas and I'm a Medicare agent, and I specialize in Medicare for seniors and veterans. If you or someone you know is turning 65, please have them text me so I can help them get the best coverage for Medicare. Text me at 845-380-5809. Thanks.